So here's our materials. We need a drill, we need the outside socket, we need some OB1 mastic, we need a mastic gun, we've got a 5.5 drill bit there, we've got 25mm drill bit there, we've got some cutters, we've got a couple of screwdrivers, a terminal and a posi drive, and we've got some conduit there, and we've got some screws and plugs. First things first, we've got our 25mm SDS bit into our SDS drill. So we've drilled a hole through the wall. Now we're going to get our conduit through the wall and our cable. So we're going to slide our adapter onto there and then slide our conduit through the wall. So we've got our conduit, so we're going to slide that into the wall. So slide that in. Now we're going to get our cables through. So there's our cables. Next step, get the socket out. Right, so in the back of our socket we've got our 20mm hole, and we also remembered to drill out the drain. Right, so our box is on. It's only secured by this bush at the minute, so we're just going to drill 4 fixing holes in the corner. Obviously our drain hole is at the bottom, so we're going to use our SDS 5.5 bit, and we're going to screw and plug these. Right, so there's our holes drilled. Now we'll take the box off. There's our 4 red plugs to go in. So we're going to put some OB1 around this hole here, and we're going to put them over the top of our raw plugs. Right, I'm just going to get that screwed up and I'll bush back in. Right, so there's that all screwed up. So there's our covers. We just got to strip the cable now. Right, so there's our cables in, and we're just going to get screwed back. So I've got the cables in, so I've run them, I've bent them so they come down to the bottom of the box, and then they're going to come back up to the cables. So if any moisture gets on these cables, it's going to go down to the bottom of the box and out of our drain off, just like that. There's our socket in, and the last thing to do before we test it, we're going to put a bead of mastic or bead of OB1 across the top. There's our bead of mastic over the top, and that is our socket finished. Beautiful.